how can you change the voice of the person who speaks to you in ChatGPT, that artificial intelligence that speaks to you? For example, if you would like a man or a woman to speak to you, in ChatGPT, all you need to do is simply tap this option, then go into the settings menu, and once you are in the settings, you go into this particular section. And here you decide which artificial intelligence voice will speak to you. Whether this artificial intelligence is a man or a woman, you simply click on it, and whichever one you select, that person will speak to you in that section. It will depend entirely on your own personal choice. Now, from this section, you can also choose your language so that the artificial intelligence responds faster, and you just need to select your country's language. And if your country's language isn't available, you set it to default, and the AI will detect your language itself.